Back at one of my favorite Nike outlets. Midweek visit to Nike Community Store Watts, where you do get 30% off the back wall. They do got refurbs here and there. They got these Nike Vaporfly Next Percent 3s go for $190. Kobe Protro 3s did make the back wall. So you get these, I think they're what, $190, $200? You get them for 30% off. These are a size 9. Got Luka 3s right here, size 10.5, 78 bucks. Been seeing a ton of these, 140, 30 off. These are size 9. Got these in a size 11.5. Oh, they're down to 160. So they're marked down. You get another discount on top. Hey, look at this. Look at this. Vaporfly Next Percent 3s. Oh, why can't they have my size, especially at this price? At this price, I would definitely grab those. 130. These are size 12, especially with that 30 off. Nike just did an update on their app. I'm trying to see if they have these in my size, and you can't check anymore. Freaking Nike, dang it. But yeah, 10, 10.5, not seeing it. Seeing the extended sizing right here, so maybe that's a 10.5 right there, extended size priced. Ain't got much 10, 10.5s out on the floor. 130 for these bad boys. What's this, KDs? One of the KD 18s. Actual size 10.5, 150 though. Monk undercover is 55. Size 10.5 Spirit on Cage 2s, 80 bucks. Got that 8.5 right there, dang it. Size 9 right here, 100 bucks for these mids. 9.5 got them in a low as well. Is this the size 9 earlier? Is this the same one? See these mids, 100 bucks. Lunar Rome still. Oh no, that's not right. That's not right. I'm gonna ask one of the workers to check to see if they can find a 10.5 in those Vaporflies. 40% off clearance apparel. I feel like they haven't had that much lately though. 75 for these. Like semi-poofy jackets. Kind of like a track jacket. Kind of like a windbreaker, 60 bucks. Been seeing a bunch of these Dodgers. They've been selling for regular price or like 37. I guess 40% off makes it pretty decent. No price tag. Track jacket. This is a Tech Pack 145. Got 24/7, super soft, oversized. Kind of like it's kind of like a fleece, but kind of not really. Like a thin fleece, $95. The Mamba jackets. Got it in a small right here, $52. 52, but it's so light, so thin. That price is right, but it's so freaking thin. And there's like nothing in the back either. Can't justify that with nothing on it. Got a large Albies? I don't know. 175. Then got the Laker hoodies. I think this is the one that I did get. I think I paid 20 bucks. 20 bucks for these. They're going for $70 even with the 40 off. Not super cheap. And then dude got the Mamba shirt right here. This is a large, $30. Who's this? A Gibbs, Jahmyr Gibbs jersey right here. Is this this is a large kids, right? Yeah, it's a large kids. Extra baggy coming back. Look at how wide this is. This is a large. And look at that price, $165. It is a Tech Pack or Tech Fleece. Wow, that's crazy. I like Tech Fleece, but not that type of Tech Fleece. $40 for these extra short shorts. Like weird. It's like a canvas material, but not really. It's pretty thick. $35. Some warm-up pants that are pretty baggy. $60. That's not bad, especially with the 40 off. Double XL though. Got Tech Fleece right here. It's a small, $90. 40% off. That's not bad. Just not great. Not the super cheap prices that I like. The Mamba pants right here. We've been seeing these. Got the metal lace tips on them. $60. All right, let's finish off the back wall. I'm curious about these extended size prices back here in the bigger sizes. Cause yeah, that is so freaking cheap. Holy crap. Holy crap. Jordan 4 RMs, $90 for these. Got Luka 3, 65 in a refurb. 78 for this one. This one's like new. That one's slightly imperfect. Gently worn, got the middle one right here, 65. Luna Roams, these are under $40. And then you get another 40 off. That might be one of the cheapest prices I've seen. 90 for the LeBrons, remember, 40 off on top. Got the Monarchs for all the fools who like that. She's $43. Pegasus, 39, 70 bucks, size 11s. More Jordan 4 arms, $90. MVP's 100. Size 13's 100 for these, so $60 after savings. 75 for the next gen Genesis. It's just the next Genesis, not the next gens. But got Blazers down here, nothing too crazy. 75. All right, let's check out the smallest sizes over here. Still got the B grade Air Max 90s right here, 130. Oh, I haven't seen that one. It straight up says belt blemish. Oh, got these 190 for the Vaporfly Next Percent 4s. Got a few of those in the smaller sizes. All right, let's move on to the aisles. They do have a bunch of the non-signature J's. Technically that's a signature, but not really. The one take twos, but they got the rest of these bad boys right here. On the backside, they got some 4s, RM 4s, the Jordan 4 RMs, Chicago colorway, some mids. Those is off for $90, as well as this one. Do got the Obsidian Jordan 1 Low OGs, Luka 3s, Team Bank colorway. Then do got a bunch of LeBron. Well, there's LeBron Witnesses, bunch of signatures, and then got Ja 2s. I've been seeing a bunch of those. More Luka 3s, Immortalities, Calm Slides, Air Max 270s. We're seeing these prices plummet on these. That's crazy. And they got these, as well as Air Max 90s, 2017s, couple of Forces, and all suede, round laces too. Then in the running / workout section right here, nothing too crazy. Got some Pegasus and stuff like that. Nothing standing out too much. They got some random stuff here for 40% off. Including, what the hell? Belts with these crazy buckles. I've never seen these before. $65. It says normally $95. You get an extra 40 off on top. These are pretty wild right here. Love seeing stuff that I've never seen. Some Cleveland hats right here. These men's? Yeah, these are men's. 35. Is that Memphis? Is that a Memphis hat right there? 34. Cheap water bottles. I don't see a price tag on it though. Got socks right here, Everyday Plus socks, $10, 40 off on top. I got these 6-pack right here. Got these 6-packs, $10, normally 20, so that goes down to $6. These backpacks too, backpacks as well. I don't know, $35, $30 on that one. It's all together, so maybe. Oh, and then they got all these Mamba pants right here. The warm-up pants, it is 40% off. It says bottoms only. But yeah, $40 and you get another. Oh, dang, they're thick too. These are really nice. They're thick. And how much does that come out to? What, 40, or I'm sorry, $24. $24 for these pants. And they got t-shirts. These are gonna go for the listed price of $30 for the shirts. All right, let's check out the women's clearance section over here. Of course, I got to start with the biggest sizes, especially the refurbs. Not really seeing anything that stands out. You got the Jordan 4s right here. Don't know this colorway. $150, 40% off on top. These are size 10, size 9, size 9, size 9, 7.5 men's. Of course, they always have to have blazers. $53. Jordan 1s, we've been seeing these at every outlet lately. Damn, no price tags, bastards. $85 for these. I got these pink Vomero 5s, $120. And then on the refurbs, just see a bunch of blazers, Gamma Forces or something different, $48. These Dunks with all that plastic stuff on it look weird as hell, $70. And then these are not Vaporfly Next Percent 4s. Or these Gammas for $48. Size 8, got shocks right here, $135 though. Those are the TLs, I like those. More Gamma Forces, $48. Size 7, $100 for these Jordans right here. By 100, I mean $60 after the discount, 40% off. Wow. Air Max Big Bubble right here, $95. Got Dunks 7.5, 85. Air Max 95. These are the Raw Special, 70 bucks. Infinity One threes and tiny sizes, 95. I got a size 9 here as well. I've been wearing those quite a bit. $80. It's cheaper for the non-refurbs. All right, let's check out the aisles in the women's where we got these Dunks. What are these? Rose Whisper. Got the LD 1000s. Got these Forest Gumps right here. That's a hell of a price. Got up to size 11s. And all kinds of generics. Forces, we've been seeing these at a ton of outlets. Some Shocks R4s. Max 270s. And all kinds of Dunks on this back wall. Is this Cacao Wow Coconut Milk. Next Nature's right here. This is off of $84. Got the one with the bow on it. Another Next Nature right here. Was this Elemental Pink. Got Blazers. Jordan 1 Lows. Another SE right here. Then a mid. And a Nike Calm Slide. It's like random because it's black right there. And then there's another one right there. What the heck? Alright, dude, it looks like I missed this in the size 13 men's. Ion 4s right here, $100, so $60 after the discount. Not bad. I did check on these. No 10.5. They only have 8, 8.5, and size 12. That's it. Dang it. So close. But yeah, make sure you guys check the extended size pricing. It starts at 10.5, it looks like, and then it goes all the way to size 13s. If you could just find anything dope in here, that's how you come up. I'll check next door. They do have a Ross, and I've been trying to check out some more Ross. But yeah, I'm wearing some Converse right here. I went with something very low, like low to the ground and low tops, because I did come here right after work and kind of dressed business casual or polos. Business casual, I don't know, but slacks, polo. That's what I'm wearing for the day because had to go to work and had to look like somewhat professional. All right, let's check out the Ross next door. And we've been finding jerseys, so gotta see what's up here. What's this? What's this right here? Lakers? Oh, it's a U game. $25. It actually doesn't look that bad though, but it's kind of thin. What weird jacket is this? This is a Nike jacket. It's a small. Thought it was a women's. Oh, it's a Sabrina. It is a men's. $30 for the Sabrina jacket right here. Kind of cool find. This Antigua brand. The Antigua Dodgers jacket right here. $30. Damn, I was hoping this was a Niner hoodie right here. Nah, not 25 bucks. Niners have been a pleasant surprise. Way better than I thought they would be this year because they have so many freaking injuries, dude. Got Team Apparel Texans pullover right here. $6. And right behind that do have a Broncos jersey. Is this a medium? Judy, he's not with them anymore. I'm trying to remember what team he's on. Shoot, someone let me know in the comment section. He's not with the Broncos though. Do know that. $30 for that. Nationals Majestic hoodie right here. 12 bucks. Yeah, 12 bucks. Another jersey right here. This is like a super huge one. Wilson, he's oh no, he's not with that team anymore either. $30. Did find an Alvin Kamara jersey a couple days ago. So they are out there. Is this a Kenya jacket? Kenya jacket right here. These are going for $15. $15. Holy cow. Pat's jacket right here. $10. This is a large. Baltimore t-shirt. Team Apparel. $350. Another Broncos. Same dude. Oh, Judy's with like the Cleveland Browns or something, right? He's with the Cleveland Browns, I just realized. But yeah, they got stuff. You just have to go through everything with a fine-tooth comb. $5 for Green Bay t-shirt. Moving over to the sneaker section. Someone just told me in the comment section that they found some Vaporfly Next Percents at Ross. So I guess I'm still searching. Got some Vans boots right here, $30 with some Gore-Tex on it. Got Luca's right here, smaller size. I don't know the price. What's that, 70? Of course, got perennial favorites, 50 bucks. Can't believe basketball season's already here. Man, this year freaking flew by. What the hell is this? What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? But yeah, not much going on here. In the smaller size, in the bigger sizes, they do have stuff. 11 and above, $43 for the Lucas. Those Hokas that we've been seeing a ton of. KDs. Just saw these at Nike for a little too much. $49 they're marked down to. Zoom rookies down here. AKA Jason Kids from way back when. These are size 12, 80 bucks. I'm starting to see some of these Bondi starting to get marked down $70. These hurt 11 and a half, so decent size. Or you can get these Filas for $13. And in the huge sizes, got some MBs, got Lucas right here. These have been marked down to 40. So bigger sizes starting to see marked down. KD's 49. Dang it. And a few more right there. Ooh, the Hustles. GT Hustles right here, size 13, $40. Happened to see this in the women's section. Look at this. What are these? Like all this team apparel fleece. And like I said, this is the women's section. This is all Ultra Game, $30. I see Chiefs. I see Lakers. I see Donuts. What the hell? Boston Celtics. Oh, did I just break? Oh, I think I just broke that hanger. Oops. These are all one size. They got Boston Celtics right there. They got a big, what's that, pumpkin if you want one of those. Kind of cool, kind of interesting. More Chiefs stuff right here. Okay. Checking the women's section over here, where they got these funky Under Armour slides for $23, as well as these Hoka slides. These are huge, size 12. I don't know what the price is. I don't know, 25, 75. I don't know. Got some of these right here. The Comfort 11s, $50 for that bad boy right there. Got some Converse Chucks. These are some suede ones for $40. Got these Chucks right here, $23. I've seen them in a few different sizes. They're all marked down. Damn, I think that's about it. Is it long enough? Is this video long enough? I don't know. We'll find out. They do close Nike Watts at 7 p.m. And yeah, it's already closed. So yeah, make sure you guys get here early during the week. All weekend too, I think.